afternoon, everyone. The students of grade AA, AB, and AC welcome our esteemed head of schools, Miss Aruna Shetty, our beloved principal, Miss Tanuja Amin, and our respected coordinator, Miss Parul Gupta. We also welcome all the dear teachers and friends. In today's Common Assembly, we are celebrating the foundation of great states like Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, and Karnataka. Let's all watch a skit a few of our friends are about to do for you all, which we hope you enjoy.
Kids, gather around this prop here.
What is this place?
We're in Karnataka Jog Falls. It's a big tourist attraction.
Really? Let's look around.
It looks like we have traveled to the jog falls during the monsoon season, which is June to September. The Sharavati River swells and the falls are at their most spectacular. The water cascades down over 830 into a deep gorge, creating a thunderous roar and a mist that can be seen from miles away, which is what we know as jog falls.
What are all these foods in the menu, like Uttara Karnataka cuisine, Dakshina Karnataka cuisine, Udupi cuisine, and etc.?
These are the classic Karnataka cuisines, Karunya.
We have an uncovered range of traditions unique to bring this wonderful range of information about states that we recognized on November 1. Celebrated as the Spice Coast of India, ancient Kerala played host to travelers and traders from across the world.
Concludes today's assembly. We hope you have a productive and positive day ahead. Remember to always strive to be the best version of yourselves and to treat others with kindness and respect.